Hello, welcome back. See here, today in this class we are going to discuss about numerical based on lambda m, lambda eq and k. Last class I have taught you the fuel cell, and before that class also I have taught you something dry cell, and before that class we have discussed about the effect of dilution on lambda m and lambda eq, and also before that we have studied the lambda m molar conductivity, equivalent conductivity, and we have derived certain formula based on that. Clear? So here we are going to solve numerical based on this. Now see here, I have written certain formulas, and these all formulas are nothing new for you. If you have not seen my previous videos, please go and check it out, so that this formula first you should remember. So first formula is k equal to g into g star. K is nothing but a specific conductivity, and G is nothing but conductance, and whereas G star is nothing but cell constant. So G star, another formula is L by A. First formula is this, another formula is this. Another formula for lambda m, that is molar conductivity, is k1000 upon C. So when this formula should be used when K, that is conductivity, is given in Siemens per centimeter. If conductivity K is given in Siemens per centimeter, then use the formula for lambda m k1000 per C. But if the conductivity K is given in Siemens per meter, then use the formula K by C. Similarly, when lambda EQ, if you want to use the formula, that is k1000 upon n, n means normality, your equivalent weight will come means normality will come, means here K will be Siemens per centimeter. So when K is Siemens per centimeter, then for lambda EQ formula should be k1000 upon n. But if K is given in Siemens per meter, then the molar conductivity formula will be K by C and equivalent conductivity will be K by n. We will see this problem now. Understand the problem. If specific conductivity of n by 50 kCl, means they have given here normality. So normality is nothing but how much? 1 by 50 n. Here n by 50 meaning is this. Okay. At 298 Kelvin temperature is, means they have given specific conductivity K, that is 0.002765 ohm inverse. Ohm inverse means Siemens per centimeter. Sir, how ohm inverse? If you have not seen my previous video, please check it out first there. So ohm inverse is something but Siemens per centimeter, and resistance also they have given, that is 100 ohm, and they have asked you to calculate cell constant. So G star we have to calculate. Clear? Now see here, G star I have two formula. First formula is this, K equal to G into G star, and another formula is G star equal to L by A. But I cannot use this formula because here length, that is the distance between the two electrode, and surface area of the electrode is not given, means I have to use this formula. So what I will do, I will use K equal to G into G star. But for using this formula, first I should determine G, that is conductance, and you know conductance G is nothing but inverse of resistance. So 1 by R, R they have given 100. So 100 means 0.01 ohm inverse, because R unit is ohm, so it unit will be ohm inverse, or 0.01 Siemens. Now I will use this formula K equal to G into G star. Clear? K they have given is 0.002765 equal to G, how much they have given? G they have given 0.01 into G star. So if I calculate the G star, the G star answer will be 0.002765 divided by 0.01. So your G star answer will be, please you don't use calculator here. So 0.002765 divided by 0.01. So your answer will be 0.2765. Clear? Now we have to see G star is nothing but what? Cell constant. And what is the unit for cell constant? Means I can determine the cell constant unit as L by A. Clear? Here everything is given in centimeter, means I am taking length in centimeter and area in centimeter square. So it will get cut. So answer I will get per centimeter. So unit for G star will be per centimeter. In this way you have to make the units. Okay. See here ohm centimeter they have given, means here length they have calculated in terms of centimeter, and area they have calculated in terms of centimeter square. So by making the G star unit from this formula, I got the G star unit as per centimeter. This will be constant unit from any formula. You take any formula for G star, the unit remains constant. So per centimeter. So this is your answer. Please write down. Take a screenshot. Okay. So we'll now go with the second question. Please check it out, the second question. The second question says 0.5 normal solution placed between two platinum electrode of 2 cm apart, means there are two electrodes which are 2 centimeter apart, means length they have given. Cross section area is 4 centimeter square and resistance is 25 ohm. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of the solution. So first we will calculate, see here now. So normality they have given, that is 0.5 normal, clear, and between the two platinum electrode, the distance between the two platinum electrodes is 2 centimeter. So length they have given, that is 2 centimeter, and of cross section area they have given 4 centimeter square. Resistance is 25 ohm, so R is 25 ohm. Clear? Calculate the equivalent conductivity of the solution, means lambda EQ. Okay. Now lambda EQ. So I have here two formula for lambda EQ, that is K 1000 upon N, here K upon N. This should be used in Siemens per centimeter and here Siemens per meter. But in both the formula, see, we have to first calculate the K. K means conductivity. So first we will try to calculate K. Now see here how. As we know, R equal to rho L by A. Yes or no? Now I will reverse this. 1 by R equal to 1 by rho into A by L. Yes or no? Now 1 by R, so R is given, so need not to convert this, but 1 by rho means kappa, which I need this, and into A by L. Now what I will do, I will substitute the value. So 1 by R, how much they have given? They have given 25, equal to kappa, area they have given 4, and length they have given 2. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay, so K will be equal to 1 by 50. So I will calculate this K as 1 divided by 50, 0.02. Kappa value I got, that is 0.02. Now if you determine the value of kappa, yes or no? If you determine the value of kappa, so your unit will be Siemens, because here see 1 by R means it is ohm inverse. So here Siemens, and here the remaining is what? Meter square, centimeter square, no? Because they have given in terms of centimeter. So this will 2 will go that side, so your answer will be what? Here Siemens per centimeter. So your kappa will be Siemens per centimeter. Now see here students, they ask you to determine lambda EQ. Now lambda EQ I have two formula. One is K 1000 upon N, normality they have given, and here K upon N, there also normality is given. Now when to use this formula? When K is given in Siemens per centimeter, and here also I got the K in terms of Siemens per centimeter. So which formula to be used? Fourth formula. Therefore lambda EQ equal to K into 1000 upon N. So K how much I have? I have 0.02 into 1000 divided by N. N is how much? 0.5. So if I calculate this, I get the answer into 1000 divided by 0.5. So I get the answer as 40. And what is the unit of lambda EQ? So lambda unit will be Siemens centimeter square per equivalent. This will be your unit for lambda EQ. Please remember this point. Okay. So you can write down this Siemens centimeter square per equivalent. Why per equivalent? Because it is a normality, and this everything formula I have discussed in my previous video. So this is your answer. Please copy out. So we are going to the third question, and the third question says the electrical resistance of a column 0.05 molar NOH, means molarity is given. Solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.55 10 to power 3 ohm. Ohm is a unit of resistance, means R is given. Calculate resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. So we have to calculate this. So first I will write down the given. So the electrical resistance of a column 0.05 molar. So means molarity they have given, that is molarity equal to 0.05 molar. Solution of diameter. Diameter they have given, that is 1 centimeter. So what I will do, I will calculate the radius. Radius equal to 0.5 centimeter, and I will calculate from here area. Area means what? Pi r square. Because what is the cross sectional area of any cylinder or any electrode? That is circle, the pi r square. So answer here I will get, that is pi means 3.14 and radius square means 0.5 into 0.5. So you will get the answer 0.785 centimeter square. Length I have given length is given is 1 centimeter. Clear? Next, R they have given how much? 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Resistivity they ask you to calculate. They ask you to calculate conductivity K, and they ask you to calculate lambda m. Now see here, it's bit important question. Clear? First we will calculate, try to solve rho. Rho that is a resistivity. So we know that R equal to rho L by A. So I need a rho. Rho means R into A upon L. So see here students, R they have given how much? 5.55 into 10 to the power 3. Area also we have calculated how much? 0.785 centimeter. Okay, and length is also here in centimeter. So here 1. So what the answer you will get, that is 0.785, that is 5.55 multiplied by 0.785. So 5.55 multiplied by 0.785 and multiplied by 1000 and divided by 1. So you get the answer as 4356.75. So this will be your answer for rho. Clear? Your answer for rho will be 5.55. Length how much they have given? Length in the question they have given, sorry, 50, no? Length they have given 50, right? Sorry, huh? So I have taken here length as 50, sorry. So length is here 50. So your answer will get some change. Length is here 50, that is 5.55 into 0.785 into, that is 1000 divided by 50. So your answer will be 87.135. Your answer will be nearly 87.135. Okay, now what can be your unit? So R unit is ohm. Okay, and A by L unit will be centimeter, because area means centimeter square by L centimeter. So centimeter will get cut. Your answer will be 87.35. Now they ask you to calculate the K, and K you know, K is nothing but what? Ohm inverse, no? 1 by rho. So 1 by 87.135. So your answer will be 1 divided by 87.135. So you get the answer as 1 divided by 87.135. So you get the answer 0.011476. Clear? That the unit also will be reverse. Okay, so when K is 1 by rho, so K unit also will be reverse, that is ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, and ohm inverse means what? Siemens per centimeter. So this will be your answer for K. Now they ask you to calculate lambda m. So we'll calculate the lambda m. Now see here, again I have formula for lambda m for 2 formula, that is lambda m equal to K 1000 upon C and lambda m equal to K upon C, depend on K. So K given Siemens per centimeter, here also K is given in Siemens per centimeter. So this formula you have to use. So lambda m equal to K into 1000 upon C. C means what? Molarity here. Molarity, or say you say concentration, one and same. So K how much they have given? They have given 0.011476 into 1000 divided by C. C how much they have given? 0.05. So you get the answer as, it is 0.011476 multiplied by 1000 divided by 0.05. So you get the answer 229.528, that is 53. What can be the unit? Please understand the unit. The unit is very important. So unit will be what? Just now I told you lambda m. You can see my previous video, that is Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. So this will be your unit for lambda m, that is Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Just here there is only one trick and logic. When to use this formula? When to use this formula depend on K. If K given in Siemens per centimeter, K 1000 upon C, Siemens per meter, K upon C. Please copy out this question. So see here now, we are starting on question number 4. The resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter KCl, solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of the same cell, so cell is same here. Okay, that is same cell indicates what? Cell constant, because both the cell constant will be same, only just what changes? Their electrolyte gate changes, but their cell constant, that is L by remains constant. So whenever in the question they ask, give you same cell, means you to understand that this problem might start, 99% the problem will start with a cell constant. Is filled with 0.02 mole per liter KCl solution is 520 ohm. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02 molar KCl and conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl solution. So now here in this question, if you pause the video and if you see it, read it twice, thrice, we will get to know that they are given here two conditions. First condition they have given of 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution, and another condition they have given 0.02 mole per liter KCl solution. So what I will do, 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution I will make it as 1, and 0.02 mole per liter KCl I will make it as 2. So we will write down here first given. So you can write down along with me. The resistance of the conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter. So M1 they have given, it is 0.1 mole per liter, that is molar, is 100 ohm. So R1 is given. If the resistance of same cell filled with 0.02 mole per liter, so M2 they have given 0.02 mole per liter. KCl is 50 ohm, so R2 is 520 ohm. Calculate conductivity of 0.02. So 0.02 means for this means you have to calculate for second condition, that is K2. Then calculate molar conductivity, that is lambda M2. Okay, and conductivity of 0.1 molar, that is K1. It is 1.29 Siemens per meter. Clear this part? Now see here. I will start the problem. See what I will do. I need here K2. So one K2 formula is this. So K2 equal to G2 into G star. I can do it, no? G2 is very simple, no? 1 by R2. But if I determine G star, that is cell constant, so I can solve the problem now. So you know this, cell remains same. Just changes what? Constant, that is electrolyte changes. Means G star for both the condition remains same, that is cell constant. So from here, first we will calculate the G star. So we know that K1 equal to G1 into G star. Clear? So K1 is how much? 1.29. Please focus, it is Siemens per meter. And G1 is 1 by R1, that is 1 by 100 into G star. So your G star answer will be nearly 129, because 1.29 into 100, that is 129 per meter. Yes or no? Per meter. I hope you know why this per meter. Now, or I can write down like this also, 1.29 per centimeter. Yes or no? Because 129 per meter, so that is 129, that is 1 by meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 129, if I do divided by 100, I will get 1.29 per centimeter. So I have calculated G star in terms of centimeter. Clear? Now here see, why I have done so? If I calculate here G star in terms of centimeter, so K2 also will come here in centimeter. And when K2 will come here centimeter, I can use that formula easily. So here what happens now? See here, now K2 will be equal to G2 into G star. Here G star remains same. So here K2 will be your K2 equal to G2 means 1 by 520 into G star 1.29. So your answer will be for K2, that is 1.29 divided by 520. So your answer will be 0.002480. And K2 means what? So K2 will be Siemens per centimeter here. Because I have taken here G star in terms of centimeter now. Now I calculated K2. Now the question comes for lambda M2. Now you can see here lambda M2. Lambda M, I have two formula. First formula is K 1000 upon C, another one is K upon C. So here Siemens per centimeter means here K 1000 upon C. So K into 1000 upon C means molarity. So K I have 0.002480 multiplied by 1000, and concentration, that is mole per liter, how much? 0.02. So I get the answer as 0.002480, that is this 0, multiplied by 1000 and divided by 0.02. So your answer is 124.03846, and lambda M unit will be Siemens centimeter square per mole. So in this way you can calculate the problem. Clear this part? Please copy out. Now see here, we'll go with the last question. That is the conductivity of solution containing 1 gram anhydrous BaCl2 in 200 centimeter cube of water has been found to be 0.0058 Siemens per centimeter. Means K they have given in terms of centimeter. What is lambda m, lambda eq? Clear? So they have given in centimeters, they have given no. I hope you are understanding. So now here Siemens per centimeter they have given. They ask you to find lambda m and lambda eq. So these two formula you have to use. So our work is just to calculate C and N. That is, you have to calculate molarity and normality and you have to proceed the problem. That's it. Nothing else more. So just you have to calculate the concentration, then you have to calculate the normality, okay, in moles per liter, mole per liter, mole in terms of liter, and you have to proceed the problem. So some see here. First problem. So containing 1 gram. So weight they have given 1 gram. Okay, volume they have given 200 centimeter cube, or I can write down 200 ml, or I can write down 0.2 liter. Clear? Clear this part? And they have given the molecular weight of BCl2. So molecular weight how much? So molecular weight we calculate, that is Ba plus 2 into Cl. Ba is 137 plus 2 into 35.5. That is 137 plus 71. So we can calculate 137 plus 71. You get the answer as 208 gram per mole. Clear? Now, as you know, the conductivity K they have given in terms of Siemens per centimeter, means these two formulas should be used. So I have K, but I don't have C and N. Concentration means what? Mole per liter. Clear? So we will calculate now mole. Mole is molecular weight, moles equal to weight upon molecular weight. Weight how much they have given? They have given 1 by 208. So your answer will be 1 divided by 208. So your answer will be 0.0048076. Okay, moles. Okay. Now first we will calculate concentration C. So C means what? Mole per liter. That is mole by volume, no? So mole how much? 0.0048076 by volume. So volume should be in terms of liter. How much? That is 0.2. So you got the answer as divided by 0.2. 0.02403846 mole per liter. Now we will calculate the normality also. Normality means what? Normality means weight upon equivalent weight into volume in liters. Weight how much? Weight I have 1. Equivalent weight means molecular weight. It is molecular weight is 208 upon number of electron transfer. So now see here, BaCl2. If you crack this, I get Ba plus 2 and Cl minus. So to balance this here 2. So net charge of transfer is how much? 2. So 208 by 2. See here students, equivalent weight means what? Molecular mass by acidity or basicity from first chapter, or equivalent mass by number of electron transfer. So how much you can transfer the electron from BaCl2? You have to just crack and you have to see. That is Ba plus 2 and Cl minus. So here 2 will come. So number of electron transfer is 2 net. My student, most of the student, what I am doing, they will come to know. So a net charge transfer is 2 into volume in liters. How much volume they are given? They were given here 0.2. So what I will do here is, you can see here 2 ones are 2104. So 1 divided by 104 divided by 0.2. So your answer will be 0.48078692. Clear? 7692. 0.0, answer is 0.04807692. Please you don't use calculator, okay? Now we have to calculate the lambda m. Lambda m equal to k 1000 upon c, and here k they have given in Siemens per centimeter. So k they have given how much here? K they have given is 0.0058 Siemens per centimeter. When k given Siemens per centimeter means you use this formula. So k is 0.0058 into 1000 upon c. How much they have given? C they have given 0.02403846. So your answer will be 0.0058 into 1000 divided by 0.02403846, 241.3, that is 28, so I am counting into 3 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Clear? So this will be your answer for lambda m. Please check it out, write down this, then I will calculate the lambda EQ. Clear? So I hope you have done this. Now we will calculate, take a screenshot now. Okay, now we will take lambda EQ. So we will calculate lambda EQ. Lambda EQ means nothing but what? K 1000 upon n. So what is the value for k? K I have, that is 0.0058 into 1000 upon normality is how much? 0.04807692. Clear? And if you calculate this, you get the answer as 0.0058 into 1000 divided by 0.04807692. So you get the answer as 0.001, or you get the answer as 0.0480, no? So 0.58 into 1000 divided by 0.04807692. You get the answer as 120.833 Siemens centimeter square per equivalent. Clear? Please write down this. Okay, calculate with yourself also. Okay, and try to solve the problem again and again so that you can get the practice. Clear? Remember this formula. There are many chances that you can commit the mistake. Always remember here that C and normality will always remain in liters. Okay, here C and normality will always remain in liter.